Welcome back to Between the Pages, the channel where we explore the world of literature, books and everything in between. In today's video, we'll be exploring the minds of great authors through classic book reviews. Classic books have stood the test of time and continued to be a source of inspiration for many. From Jane Austen to Charles Dickens, their works have had a profound impact on the world of literature. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into some of the most renowned classics and share our thoughts on them. First up, we have Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Written in 1813, this novel is a beloved classic that has been adapted for movies, TV shows, and even plays. The story revolves around Elizabeth Bennet, a young woman who faces societal pressures to marry well, and her interactions with Mr. Darcy, a wealthy and proud man. We'll discuss the themes of love, class, and gender that are prevalent in this novel and how they relate to our modern times. Next, we have Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. Published in 1847, this novel is a haunting tale of passion, love, and revenge set in the moors of Yorkshire. We'll delve into the characters of Heathcliff and Catherine and the complexities of their relationship. We'll also discuss the themes of social class, morality, and family that are present in this novel. Our third classic book is The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. Set in the 1920s, this novel is a critique of the American dream and the excesses of the Jazz Age. We'll discuss the character of J. Gatsby and his pursuit of wealth and love, as well as the themes of disillusionment, identity, and class. The fourth classic book on our list is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper. Published in 1960, this novel is a coming-of-age story set in the Deep South during the 1930s. We'll discuss the themes of racism, prejudice, and justice that are prevalent in this novel, as well as the character of Atticus Finch and his role as a moral compass. Last but not least, we have 1984 by George Orwell. Written in 1949, this novel is a dystopian tale of government surveillance and control. We'll discuss the themes of totalitarianism, censorship, and individualism that are present in this novel, as well as the character of Winston Smith and his rebellion against the oppressive regime. And that's it for today's video on classic book reviews. We hope you enjoyed our discussion on these timeless works of literature. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more book reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep exploring the world of literature, and we'll see you between the pages.